weenie whiny bastards. Today we're going to talk about the 4 P's. Get your grandma and sit your ass down because I'm going to help you become more successful in
every single area of your life.
Now when I say 4 P's, what the hell am I talking about? The first... Oh, fucking hell. Not the 4 P's, I'm talking about the 4 F's. Fucking idiot. Right, so we're talking about the 4 F's. One would say the first F is faith. You've heard me say this before, you have to have faith, otherwise you're not going to get you. Simple as you can bet your ass that you're not going to get to what or achieve whatever it is that you want to achieve. Because if you don't believe in you, the process, and the people around you that are going to support you, sometimes, not always, but if they're going to help you, you have to believe in yourself, in the people around you, in the process. Because if you just don't believe, you might as well throw in the towel now and sit your ass back down on that fucking... Ouch. So yeah, first F, faith. You have to believe,
otherwise you're not going to get to where it is that you want to go.
Simple.
So yeah, with these 4 things, we're starting to build a better life for you already with the 4 F's, not 4 P's. Fucking, I think I got that from business studies. Okay, so the third F is going to be family. Now when I say family, I mean family.
Brother, sister, auntie, uncle, grandma, granddad, great-granddad, brother, sister, I think I said that.
Anyway, someone in your family, because if you don't have a good connection to your family, guess what? You're going to be depressed, you're going to be probably overweight, you're probably going to be divorced, you're probably going to have a miserable, depressed life. Now, I know many of you watching this are like me. You had a rough childhood growing up. So your family situation, your pillar for family, might not be the strongest, but that's okay. Do what I do. Get your why to revolve around your future family, your kids, your grandkids, your great-grandkids, okay? Think about that. You're doing this for them. You're doing this to put them in a position to be better off than you were when you were a kid, okay? You're giving them the opportunity to do whatever it is that they want to do. Because the 4th F is going to be finances, but we're not going to get onto that at the moment. We're covering family. So, here's the thing. If you're like me, and I've said this already, you grew up with a kind of rough childhood. It was just rough. Things might have not been alright at home. So here's the thing that I want you to do. Get a piece of paper and write out this 3-letter word. Why? Your family, if it's rough at the moment, it needs to be a strong why, but if like me you went through hell, different types of hell, this can be your why. It can be super strong. Why the hell do you want to become successful? To put your children in a good place when they grow up. Who doesn't want that for the kids? So if you're struggling in this part of your life, say you've been through, drop me bloody pen. So let's say you're struggling, you've been through hell in this part of your area of life. If you can combine that, I'm talking really serious here, like something you can go through walls with. I listen to that all the time, Billy Oz Brooks, but if you can find a why that is like seriously strong and make it a why, you will be unstoppable, because every time you think of an excuse, you can be like, Alright, there's an excuse, but why the hell am I doing this in the first place? Oh yeah, it's for blank. You fill in the blank. Why the hell do you want to do something? So find something. If this is a really strong personal area for most people, I think, so if you can find a why in this part of your life, in family, you will be unstoppable. I'm telling you now, because I am unstoppable at the moment, because I've gotten these two together. Drop me bloody board rubber. So yeah, if you can combine these two, you're going to be unstoppable. Okay, time for the fourth one. It is important, but you do need to manage this one. So we've had faith, fun, family, and now this one's going to be finances. Right, finances. I'm in the right. Right, finances. If you're a champion in every single part of life in these three areas, I'm going to have to steal from Grant Cardone. You have to 10x it in this area, okay? Because this money is the thing that makes the world go round. I don't care if you like it or not. Money, you need money to survive in this world. What the hell are you going to do? You're going to go out and make a bow and arrow and shoot a wild deer? I don't think you are. You need money to survive in this world. End of story. So, figure out, right, this is what I want you to do. You've already got your piece of paper and you've probably figured out your why if you can find one in that area in family. So here's what I want you to do. Get that same piece of paper, go about 3 lines down and write how much money do I want? How much money do you want? How much money do you want when you're 20 years old? How much money do you want when 30 years old? How much money do you want when you're 40 years old? And probably this for the average person, your kid is probably going to go off to college or somewhere. Because college, believe it or not, college costs. Shit, I'm just trying to do a little streak there. College costs money. Believe it or not, everything costs money. Everything comes with a price tag. Some are small, some are big. But everything in life, you have to pay the price. Because listen to me, in World War II, your great-grandfather, my great-grandfather, paid the price for us to be here right now. I'm so glad that they didn't give up, because if they gave up, we would be speaking German right now. We would be speaking English, talking about the 4 Fs. Alright? So to recap, faith, trust in yourself, the people around you, if they're positive. Don't trust in toxic people because that's just suicide. Alright? And trust the process, because if you don't trust the process, might as well chop your head off and throw in the towel now. Fun! You want to have fun in your life. Big surprise there. You can't just be a depressed son of a gun all the time, okay? You have to have fun. Simple rule of life. Number 3, family. If your family right now or your current situation in your household isn't ideal, think about the future. Do you want to sort your family out when you're about 20 or 30 years old? What do you want your family to look like when you start your own family? That's one of the things that I ask myself every single day. What do I want my life to look like, or my future family, my kids, my grandkids, my great-grandkids? Drop it again. Do I want to be remembered by my kids and my great-grandkids and my grandkids? I don't know why I swapped them around, but do I want to be remembered as a deadbeat or a high performer? I don't know about you, but I want to be remembered as a high performer, no question about it. So yeah, family, get that solid, because if you don't have all of these solid, your life is just gonna flop. For me, these are probably the most central pillars, apart from you, because you're the most central pillar, I think. If you have to build yourself up, when all of these are going down, you have to be your own pillar, I think. But these pillars that keep your life in balance are equally as important. And finally, finances. If you're a broke motherfucker, you're not going to be able to do anything. As I said before, money costs. Fucking idiot. Stuff in this world costs money. And you have to have money to afford nice stuff. If you want nice stuff, that is. Some people don't want nice stuff. Some people just want to scrape by. I don't know why the hell you want to do that, but it costs money to own a house. It costs me money to buy this whiteboard. It costs me money to buy this pen. It costs me money to buy these gloves and these bracelets. You have to have money. I can't stress this enough. Some people kind of disregard money as some sort of myth or something that's not important in life. Let me get this through to your skull. Money is important. Family is important. Having fun in your life with the money that you get is also important. But faith is also important. You have to believe that you're going to get the money to have the fun, and that you're going to have the faith or whatever it is to have a good family in the future or right now. So this is going to be it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I'm kind of in a good mood at the moment. If you see my story on Instagram, you'll know why. But, oh yeah, Instagram in the description. My voice is starting to hurt. So yeah, check out my Instagram in the description below. Subscribe, like and comment. And tell me which one you think is the most important. Faith, fun, family or finances. Anyway, catch you next time, guys. I am going for a shower.